Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we having maths class. Now children, let's see. This is your previous class. You do in textbooks, okay children? Let's see our next bit. What is our next bit? Here, like this bit. Now once I will explain on the board. Okay children? Sonu and her friends have to count the ticklies. They are to be counted in groups. Then ticklies to a group count the ticklies. Here some friends are there. Some friends here some ticklies are pasting and count the ticklies and write down here how many tens and how many units. Units are one side, both are equal. How many tens and how many units? Write down total numbers. Okay children, let's count it. Now first who is the first one? Sanjay. Here Sanjay, first you put two tens. How many tens to you put one box? Okay children. Now once count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 ticklies. Okay. These are 10 ticklies. 10 ticklies means 1 tens. Okay children. 10 ticklies means 1 tens. Now children. Okay children. Let's count it. How many tens are there? Sorry. How many units? 1, 2. Single units how many amma? 1, 2. So total how many numbers? Tell me children. Total how many numbers? 10 plus 2. How much? 10 plus 2? 12. 10 after 2 fingers we are counting. 10 after 2 fingers. 10, 11 and 12. So 10 plus 2 is 12. You get how many numbers amma? 12. Let's see amma. Next to Mary. Mary having how many ticklies and counted that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You put box for first 10 ticklies. First you check it. How many 10 groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again do one box. Now tell me children, here tens group how many are there? 1, 2. 2 groups are tens. Okay, 2 groups are tens means 10 plus 10. Total 20 ticklies. Let's see here some singles are there, that are units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units are there. Total children tell me total how many amma? 10 plus 10 20. 20 plus 5 25. Total how many? 25 ticklies are there here. Mary having 25 ticklies. Okay. Rohit. We are counted Rohit. For Rohit, first we are forming 10 group. After in whatever having 10 units, you write the units. Okay. Total right numbers. First we are checking how many tens groups are there. How many tens groups are? You count that first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you put to 110. You get to 110 group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay children. Let's see next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again you put to this 10 group. Next one amma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So like this, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that also. Okay. Total how many tens are there? How many groups tens? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens groups are there. So you should write here in tens 3. Now units. Here still any individual ticklies are there? No ticklies. Only 3 tens are there. No units. So you put 0 in units. So okay children, you get how much numbers? You get how much number amma? 30. You get 30. Next amma Shubham. Shubham, counting first tens. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. How many tens? 2 tens. Here any single tick list are there? No. You put 0 in units. You get how much number, amma? 2 0 20. Like this also. Okay, Rahman are having how many tick lists? Count that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. First 10. Next 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Like this. Okay, children, like this. Still here remaining how many is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. How many tens? 2 tens. You should write in tens too. Still remaining how many units, amma? Single units how many? Count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So you get how much number, amma? Tell me, children, you get how many? How much number? 28. You should write here 28. Like this also. In tens plus 1, in unit plus 2. So 1 to 12. You get how much number? 12. Next in tens plus 2, in units plus 5. You get 25 number. Again in tens plus 30, in units 0. 30 means 30. You get 30 numbers. Next let's see, amma. In tens 2, in units 0. 2 0 20. Next in tens 2, in units 8. 2 8 28. How to put this square box? First we are counting 10 10 10 groups. First you are individual 10. First you count 10 tick list. You put box. Then again remaining you count again remaining. Remaining are 10. Again you put one circle. You put one box. Single is there. You write in. You should write in tens. Sorry. You should write in units. First we are counting. You divide two groups. 10 10 10. Okay. You divide 10 10 groups. And still any tick list is there. That is units. Okay. You can understand, children, how to write this. Tens, units and numbers. Please, children, please copy this, and this is do in test book and post in our WhatsApp group. Okay, children. Now here one activity is there. Place has many objects, has each of the following numbers given below. For example, 24. You take 24 and show it this like this. Tick list. You draw tick list and you divide groups 10 10. You write in tens plus what comes, in unit plus what comes. You should write. Then after you get how many numbers. Okay. You do like this. For example, here write down Rahman. After you take this one. Gautami take 24. 24 tick list Gautami take. Second, and objects you draw tick list and divides units are tens. Then you should write in tens and units. Then get how many numbers. You should in how many numbers right here. Okay, children. This is about your activity. Next one, amma. This is copying your classwork and doing our test book. This is post in our group. Okay, children. Let's see next one. Numbers in tens and unit form. This is I will be explaining in next class, children. Okay, do this. Please copy, amma. First we are dividing 10 10 groups or 10 10 tick lists. Then after individual you write down in units. Okay, you put circle for 10 tick lists. Okay, children, you can understand. Okay, children, take care. Bye. See you.